Yeah, you know, Ron right here, man. Yeah, man.
Keep the West Coast around here, boy. Let me tell you something about knowing somebody that don't know nothing about being somebody. Boy, let me tell you.
Let me tell you something about nobody that don't even know somebody. Hey.
Tell you something about knowing somebody that don't know nothing about being somebody. Boy, let me
tell you somebody know somebody don't know nobody that did know somebody, and now they know somebody. Hey.
Right on.
Yeah. Boom. Boom. Boom.
That's right.
That's right. Yeah.
That's right.
Flip, man. Flip. White and orange and black. All black and gray.
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah.
What's up,
I mean, how much time you saying?
We'll always say what's happening. Man, now say what's happening. You know what I'm saying?
What's up, man?
Sound check, man.
Knock one of these motherfuckers out. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, he's upset.
All right.
That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta do, actually.
Angie, she's getting down sound check. What's happening? Egypt right there.
What up, Egypt in the building.
Pilot's in the building, Cam right there. She's actually drinking us some water right now. Yep.
Key Sweat got a whole band? Is this
Key Sweat got a band,
He using all this?
I don't know. Key Sweat is still dope. Key Sweat is dope. Bobby Brown is dope. Hammer is amazing. Everybody's dope on this show, man.
What's up, man? We out here in hot, man. Tampa, Miami, whatever it is. We all out here, man.
Yep.
It's hammer time, man. We about to do this rehearsal, man. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a thick crowd tonight. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. It's about maybe a hot 80, maybe how high we is. We make it 90. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. Hammer time, another time to get that dollar, man.
Yeah,
you know, we live in this good scenic route, you know what I'm talking about? You feel me? You can look at the little beaches, the palm trees, man. It's out here, man. It's Florida, man. We gotta do it. In every state. Hammer time.
He said every state, what's happening, baby? That's how he sounds.
It's a fact. Got the kick like I have the exclusive on. He thought I had the jams on me, so.
Jet Lag Club, man. Y'all here, man. It's Rude Boy. About to hit the stage, hammer time. You feel me? Pleasure y'all is behind the scene. And you know how we do it.
Yes, boom.
Another day, another dollar.
Another day, another dollar.